Hi, I will let you know how you can upload your Android app on Google Play Console with latest Play Console user interface. So let's start. First, I will generate a signed APK or generate bundle. I will generate signed bundle. You can also generate APK, but I will generate Android app bundle. You will create your key by clicking here. You will select the path, password, key alias, password and this and click OK. As I already generated it, so I will not create it again. But when you choose it, then you will have to write password, alias and key password. Then next, you will have to choose release as we are uploading it. Debug will not work on Play Console, so we will create a release and then finish generating. As you can see, our bundle has been generated. Let's go there. This is the bundle. Now we will open our Play Console account. Google Play Console. I will choose account. Yeah, this is our Play Console account. Now I will create application. Title and create. Now this is the short description, full description. As I am just letting you know how we can, so it's just I will set it testing. Yeah, this is short description and this is long description. Yeah, you can type your descriptions according to your app, not dummy testing, not dummy descriptions. We will choose an icon. Yeah, here is the icon. Yeah, this is the icon with dimensions 512 512. Otherwise Google will reject it. So screenshots. Let's first upload picture graphic as dimension should be this. And now we will upload screenshots. I will choose all and upload it. It's uploading. Now we will choose applications, category and email. I will copy this email. Sorry, and save draft. As everything is completed, then this mark will be shown on the respective category. So next we will upload our Android bundle, choose production, manage, and then create release, continue, and now we will upload our bundle here. Choose it and drag and drop. As is our first release, so we will upload latest release. It's processing. It's checking now the package name is already uploaded or not, is available for you or not. Let's wait. Yeah, it's uploaded successfully. Now we will save it. Yes, now we will go to content rating. Continue. You can write any email here and choose your respective category. And violence no, sexuality no, language no, control section no. You will choose all no because every app don't have no. You will choose all these no because every app no need anything. Save questionnaire, calculate rating, apply rating. Fine. And now we will go to pricing and distribution. As it's free app or paid app, you can choose any type. For the paid app, you will have to create a merchant account. Then you will set up paid apps. Choose your respective countries. I will choose all. And these options. Save drafts. This should be green. Yeah, it's green. Now first go to there and now we will go to app content and we will add a privacy. You can add your privacy URL. If you don't know how to set a privacy policy URL, then you can go to app privacy policy generator. This will create a privacy policy according to your app. You just have to name and just contact information, and you just have to put this information, then it will generate a privacy policy and then save it. Yeah, it's completed. Go to back and then go to add sections. Yeah, as I am seeing these add sections, yes or no, but I let you know one more thing. Go to back, leave and discard, and just if you have a ad blocker, yeah, yes, I have ad guard, which is ad blocker. If this will active, then see what happen. I will go to add sections. There is no options, so be careful about that. You must have to disable your ad blocker, otherwise you can't submit your app to Play Console. Yeah, options are showing. If you have ads, then you can select this. I don't have ads, I will select this, save, and then go back. Yeah, options are completed. This one is remaining. I will start it and then choose your category, which type of the persons can download this app, and then appeal to children. No, it's not for children. Anyone can download it and save. Your all sections must be green. If anyone is not, then you can't upload your app. Let's see what is remaining. Yeah, it's completed. Now go to edit release in app releases and scroll to bottom and review. Yeah, everything is completed, so we can now start rollout to production. When you click on it, then your app will be submitted to Play Store. I'm not click on it because I don't want to submit this app. So that's guys, thank you.